building on Solana early enough.
Yes.
And yeah, so I'm going to try to share my screen.
I'm
You
also
let me know
I'm also
you
going
see.
live on YouTube right now. So
Oh,
I think it's a very good time to start officially.
all right. So let me try to share my screen. You let me know if you see what you're seeing. And yes, so let me try to clear my desktop. And yeah, so I don't know if you guys see my screen.
Yes.
Are we good on YouTube?
Um,
Okay. Before I kickstart, like I said, we are one of the few people that are building Web3 products in Africa. And like I said, we are building one ramp which is an aggregator of sort. An aggregator, I mean, it allows applications to integrate Web3 using mobile money. Maybe you have your users, and maybe you're building some sort of Web3 application, and you want your users to get into the Web3 space. You can use the OneRamp API. So if you go to docs.oneramp, we have a very nice documentation that takes you through everything that you need to use when you're integrating. And yes, so we have the SDK, and recently we have been working on the Fiat Connect specification, which is a specification made by Celo. And yeah, Valora, Celo, MiniPay, and all that community uses the specifications. So we try to integrate that. And yes, it's live right now. So if you have any integration, you can use Fiat Connect. And also you're working on the API, which is less more of Fiat Connect, because Fiat Connect is tied onto Celo. So you're trying to have another API that works on other currencies and beyond CSD. We also have this widget, which is an end-to-end user, like where users can connect their accounts, they buy some Bitcoin. Currently, we have Sats, and then we have Celo Dollar, currently serving in Uganda and Kenya. It straight up works to your mobile money. And the newest feature we've launched today is the sale. So currently now you can sell your CUSD or your SAM that is also using the OneRamp APIs. Basically, this is just an application that users can download and have a wallet on their phone. It has Lightning Network, Bitcoin Lightning Network, and also has Celo Dollar. So it is a Lightning wallet with basically all the functionality that you need in one place. So we're also working on adding the sale. We are also working on adding the deposit. So hopefully sometime within this week we'll also launch that. Yes, so enough of that. I'll drop, I think Vianney will drop the links to these websites if you guys are interested to check them out.
okay.
But if we dive we are going to build on Solana. I do not have a lot of text. I didn't type a lot, but I'm going to try to talk my way through it as much as possible so that I can help you guys drive the picture home. So Solana, if you go to solana.com, this is their website. Most of these websites have a very nice interface. I do not know why Web3 applications need to need to be dark, but yes, I think it's the convention. So this is the Solana. Most of them are very dark like this. And when you look at their tagline, it's powerful for developers and it's fast for everyone. And this is something that I can testify. There is no lie in these two statements. It's a powerful blockchain. It's very powerful. It has a very nice tooling, and its possibilities are endless. It's like I've seen people comparing it with With Visa, the transaction times are are close to instant. So, and the other thing is that it's very cheap. If you look at the transaction, the amount of fees that you pay per transaction on Solana, you realize that it's very cheap. It's incredibly cheap, to the point that I've seen people adding it in streaming applications, whereby maybe you're using someone is building a game application and they're streaming money. Yes, so imagine streaming real money as payments. Yes, so that shows you how fast the Solana blockchain is, and how, like, the speed at which it's growing is incredible. And it's something. So you could see the partnerships. It's working with Shopify. They have Solana Pay. It's called Solana SDK. That is very nice to integrate in your applications. And I think it's something that maybe OneRamp will have to have at some point in future, because it's a very nice framework. So it's what we are going to try to build today. And when you go to this website, everything that I'm going to be talking about is going to be coming from this website. So if I miss something, or if I jump something, you can go ahead and look through the documentation. It's a very nice documentation if you go through it. So I have a few notes that I'm going to try to go through. I've done writing using pen.